People? What if I was a book person? Yeah. Why do I gotta be a people? Don't worry about it.
Never mind.
Sometimes it is screen people.
That's alright.
Sorry, it was just a joke. Joke. Just a joke.
Get it, Randy, get it.
Bailey's like, I stop it.
Do it.
No, it's
Go
like,
over it. Do the
I
turtle
get
again.
by
That was
with a
funny.
little help from my friends.
Make it like that.
Help from my friends. I did have help from my friends. That looks though. She's over there taking a video, not even paying attention.
She's busting up laughing behind the camera though.
at least she won't be your pick.
Look at her face.
I'm happy. I can so see Amber doing that.
You're trying too
Your turn,
hard.
Mario.
You can't try.
Yeah, babe, let me see you roll over the ball.
Do it. You won't. Do it. Oh, where's that
He
one
might
come
pop.
from?
What?
What's wrong with Caitlin?
Where'd she go?
Over there.
She went down the hill. I don't know why.
I don't know. She kind of got hit in the back of the head by that big red ball.
Yeah,
It's
By
an
you.
accident.
What? It's not your idea.
Accidentally on purpose?
Well, no. She tried to kick it harder to her, but she was
Turning
mid walk
around.
back. She turned. She wasn't facing the ball.
Ah. I asked her if she was seeing like dots or anything.
She
She
you
saw
were,
bats.
She said you guys were
She was
blurry.
seeing dots. I thought you said, did she see bats? I'm like, yes, did she see
said
bats?
she said we were a little blurry for a second, then we were okay.
I didn't see any dots.
Well, 'cause-
You can get
well,
hit.
when I hit her, that knocked her head forward.
down. Right over there.
No, actually.
It was over there.
She was under the tree.
Did you go night-night?
I was like, wait, what?
Who are you? Go bye-bye. You're like, sleep. Oh, this feels good.
Yeah. Oh, this looks like a good place to take a nap. All right.
And a pool of my
Had
own
lots of
blood.
fun with that ball. Where'd he come from?
He was
mama.
over there on the swing.
That is true.
I don't claim him though.
Are you recording?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I felt that.
Are you gonna post the whole video on Facebook?
Sure.
This one we just took?
And still taking.
Yeah.
I hope you got my beautiful singing voice.
Ow, ow. Get off of mine.
Yeah, you're making me take pictures of the grass only.
Katie, put him back. I'll pick him up.
Hey, how do you pop your rope?
I can't pop my rope.
I'm about to go get.
He meant open the back.
That you can turn.
He meant open the back to put the thing away. You gotta put that in the bag.
That is bad.
Put it in its bag to put it away.
Run, babe, run.
This one.
Good job.
At least the red
See,
dot is
this
visible.
can be your talent.
Yeah.
You kicking balls.
Because I'm not real steady.
Do we do this every Wednesday?
No.